In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply conditional formatting in Looker Studio, a powerful way to add visual elements to your data presentation. By using conditional formatting, you can make important data points stand out, draw attention to trends, and improve the overall readability of your reports. Let's get started. First, you'll need to access Looker Studio. Once you're there, begin by selecting the chart or table you want to format. This is crucial because we'll be making changes that affect how your data is visually represented. With your chart or table selected, open the Properties panel and click on the Style tab. This tab allows you to customize how your data is shown. As you scroll down, you'll find a section titled Conditional Formatting. This is where the magic happens. Click on the plus add button to create a new formatting rule. Now you have two options to choose from, a single color format or a color scale. Each serves a different purpose, so let's explore them both. If you opt for a single color rule, start by selecting this option. You'll need to define a field and set a condition to specify when this rule should apply. For instance, you might choose greater than or is equal to as your condition. This tells Looker Studio which data points to highlight. Enter the value that will trigger the rule. Selecting the right colors for both text and background is key to ensuring your audience will easily spot the important data. Once you've chosen those, click Save to apply your rule. This straightforward approach is particularly useful when you want to emphasize specific conditions, like identifying products that meet a certain sales threshold. On the other hand, if a color scale is more appropriate for your data, such as when you're dealing with a range of values in a table, select the color scale option. Begin by choosing the metric you wish to base the scale on. This could be anything from sales figures to performance scores. Looker Studio provides a selection of color gradients that range from one color to another. Pick one that suits your report's theme and aids in visual distinction. Next, you can fine-tune which specific data points get particular colors by entering values and choosing corresponding colors. This technique allows you to convey a spectrum of data visually, making it easier to understand the bigger picture. After you're satisfied with these settings, hit Save to lock in your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added conditional formatting to your report in Looker Studio. Whether you choose single color highlights for specific data points or a color scale to show variations, conditional formatting can make your data much more readable and visually appealing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you elevate your data analytics game.